We've looked at a couple of different ways to create lists in SwiftUI. Let's take a look at the list we used in the last video. We can use ForEach in conjunction with list. Here are a few reasons to use ForEach with list. Number 1, two-dimensional lists or lists with sections. Number 2, lists with static and dynamic data. Number 3, using modifiers such as moving and deleting. Let's create a list that uses ForEach to create sections. In the previous example, we created a character model, but if we want to group our characters into sections, we will need to create an additional model. Let's group our Game of Thrones characters by family. We will start with our family struct. Like our character model, we need to subclass the identifiable protocol. As for all models that subclass identifiable, we will need to create an ID. Let's add 2 more properties. We can add a family name, which will be used to create our section headers. Finally, we will add a characters property, which will be an array of characters. Let's create our array of families. Now let's add our list to the body. Inside of the list, we can add a ForEach. With our ForEach added, we can now pass in our families array. Since we want to add sections to our list, let's now add a section. For section, we can use the header param to add the text we want to display in the header. Now that our section headers are in place, let's now display each family member by adding another ForEach. For this ForEach, we're going to pass our characters array. Finally, we add our text view, which displays each character's name for that family. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.